then all stations to Redfern, then Central, Town Hall, Wynyard, Circular Quay, St James and Museum.
Hello everyone, my name is Stephen and welcome back to Macca's Transport Vlogs. This is vlog and I'm here at Flemington to film some trains here for you guys. So sit back, relax and enjoy the video. This might be a short one, I don't have much time here, but I'm going to try to film as much as possible. Sit back, relax and enjoy the video. We have a Lithgow or Mount Victoria service about to pass through platform number 2. The set is V33. Next up will be Parramatta, followed by Blacktown, Penrith, Emu Plains, Lapston, Glenbrook. All stations to Springwood, then all stations to Mount Victoria. If it's a Lithgow service, Bell, Zigzag, then Lithgow. We have a Richmond via Parramatta service about to pass through platform number 2. The set is A1. Its next stop will be Parramatta, then limited or all stops to Richmond. We have a Parramatta via Grenville service about to arrive from platform number 1, Lickham. Parramatta via Lickham service now arriving.
Platform 4 goes to Parramatta via Lidcombe. First stop Lidcombe, then Auburn, Clyde, Granville, Harris Park and Parramatta.
Starting from my next video, if you guys want to see me film somewhere, just comment down in the comment section below, and I'll put you on a list. Eventually, when I get enough, I'll go out, take about 3 or 4. If it's in a like a little section, like if someone wants me to film at Clyde, another person wants me to film at Auburn, Lidcombe, and Strathfield, then I'll get these 3 cards, take them out, and film at those 3 stations, and then upload them. Parramatta via Lickham service now departing platform 1. Platform 4, sorry. Leppington via Lickham service now arriving into platform 1. And I'm pretty sure we have an empty service about to pass through platform number 2. The set is M31. There's 2 people in the cab. 1, it could be driver training. 2, just going to the yard. It has a second guy in the cab. But empty train to Auburn Maintenance Centre, most likely. Maybe Leppington via Lidcombe service now about to depart from platform number 4. Next up will be Lidcombe, and then all station limited or all stations to Granville, Maryland, Unora, Guildford, Fairfield, Canley Vale, Caramella, Warwick Farm, Liverpool, Gusula, Glenfield, Edmondson Park, and Leppington. Leppington opened back in 2015.
The next train to arrive.
City Circle via Granville service, Strathfield service now arriving at platform number 3. City Circle via Strathfield service now departing platform 3. Next stop, Homebush, Strathfield, and all stations to the city. Emu Plains or Penrith service passing platform 2. It is a Penrith via Lidcombe service. A67 is the set. We have a Tango now passing platform 2 for a in plane service. The front four cars are T92 and the rear four cars are T93, which has the non-ATP testing on the thing on the train. We have another Tango passing platform 1 for a C-Circle service. So, all Gordon, so. Don't know what this set is. I don't normally talk in vlogs if it's peak hour because there's a lot of people around and I'm not that comfortable yet, but station like this, not many people, I feel fine about it. We have a Central Sydney terminal service about to pass through platform number 1. Its next stop will be Strathfield, followed by Central. This train came from Lithgow. And I can see it, the set is V1. C-Circle via Strathfield service. A71 is the set. So it was train, we got train passing, I don't know what it is. I have lost it, no, another Walter. We don't care about Walter. There goes. That train's not in service. Let me know where it's going in the comment section below. We have a train about to pass through platform number 4. Going pretty normal speed. A little bit faster, but we have most likely a K set about to pass the platform, not yet K set, about to pass the platform number 3. It's most likely going to McDonald Town. Set is front of cars are K75. And the rear full cars are K78. We have a Power Macca via Lidcombe service now arriving platform number 4. Well, thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys did enjoy it, don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn the bell on so you will be notified every time I upload a brand new video. And if you don't, Paul Blart will come for you and you will die. Bye guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now. It'll be planes via Lidcombe A39 is the set. Close on 4%, I have to go, bye guys.